Hi everyone! Thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. I wanted to make a special video to celebrate that. So for this special video, I decided to do the $100 glue challenge for slime. So I bought 3 gallons of glue, and this was the total, and then I bought 3 32-ounce bottles of glue, and this was the total. And I honestly don't really understand how the smaller size bottles were more expensive than the gallons of glue, but I guess it's because of the brand. So to start off, I am pouring all of the 32-ounce bottles of glue into my container. Now my container just fit the amount of glue that I have. I got so lucky. I was kind of worried that it wouldn't fit all the glue, but this container can hold up to 18 quarts, and the total amount of glues that I have was 15 quarts. So I had 3 quarts left over. I really wanted to add shaving foam or shaving cream, whatever, but I didn't because I knew that would not work. It would make it bigger and it would splash everywhere. So I opted out the shaving foam, unfortunately. So next I'm pouring all of the gallons of glue. After that, I added some baby powder, and I don't think this really made a difference because the amount of glue in this container is no joke. It was really deep, but I still wanted to add some to hopefully make it matte. I also added cornstarch because I ran out of baby powder. I also added some lotion, but not too much. And then I'm adding some color. I added my favorite color. I also ran out of blue food coloring, so I did not get it as pigmented as I wanted to, but it's alright, it really doesn't matter. So after I was done with that, now it is time to add the solution. So I chose borax, and I just added 2 teaspoons of that, and then I added 2 cups of hot water. So I just kept pouring it until it becomes slime.
Two hours later.
And then I decided I'm just gonna use my hands because it's so much easier even though it's messy.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
A few moments later.
After all that time and after making so many borax solutions, it's finally here and it is huge and I could not lift this thing. It was way too heavy. It even tilted my table. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you again for 100,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!